video, I told you that we were gonna put together the Nuna Triv that we purchased. And we also have the infant car seat, so we'll show you guys that in a few. So this doesn't come with the wheels on it, so we have to like put that there. Mom passes the stuff. Thank you. What we loved about this is it's like super convenient. We have the gray. We got which gray? Oh, Forest, yeah. And these strollers retail at about $6.99, and I believe the car seat is retailed at about $3 to $3.20. So altogether about $1,000 with some change. Oh, it comes with. Oh, that's cool. For the rain.
I mean, the stroller is actually $6.99 for me back, and we don't want to just go to that.
No, I think it's retailed about when I look online. It's $6.99. But you guys Google it. Be sure. But it's around that.
You don't have to worry about buying one.
What? What?
The rain cover.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the wheel.
I'm gonna close up. Oh, you just snap the wheels on. I'm like a snap of it.
Make sure it's safe, because you can't be going outside now.
Well, that's it. Okay.
Right.
So we snapped it in. So now I figure how to take it out. Like this. You just press that.
Oh, okay.
Like that. Either side.
Alright, so now this is just for the car seat, right? And what I also love is that
Is it for the basket or something? Something go back in.
yeah.
That's it.
What's this?
That's for the attachment.
For the car seat, right? Oh, so
This way. Yeah. This way.
For the baby right there.
yeah, and also this you you can move this chair any kind of way. So if you want your baby sitting frontward, like facing you, or if you want them facing this way, you can do it. See, just like that. Watch out, Mom.
I'm sorry.
It's easy, adjustable, and it goes with them from infant to toddlerhood. And I love the leather handles. We don't need this part because she's a big girl.
Right.
But I'll show you guys how
Yeah.
the toddler one is.
It seems hard, but once you really put your mind to it, you can get it done.
We'll figure it out.
This we actually purchased a few months ago. I'm like, we need a stroller, we gotta get it now. And there you have it.
You got it? You got it? It's alright. It's good.
Perfect. And there you have it. The Nuna Triv. Compact, easy, and chic. Oh yeah, so what happened was when we ordered it, they kind of sent us the wrong color. So what is that other piece called? The Tyler one is like a frost gray, and this one was the darker gray. But I mean, you can't even tell. Yeah, you can't even tell that we have two different grays, because once you put this chair on, it's this color, and once you put the other chair on, it's gonna be that color. So that's what it is. Oh, Nina having a baby.
Look at the little harness. Yeah. Oh yeah, what is it?
So when you come in the hospital, just bring this piece, and Don't need that piece in the car. Well, we probably won't need it.
You're gonna use this piece.
Oh, where's the thing for the car?
It's in this bag.
Alright, and also it comes with an extra, whatever you call this.
The padding.
The padding that's inside. So you have a dark gray one, and then you also have a light gray one, if you guys can see here.
And a really cute traveling bag.
And it comes in this cute little traveling bag. So cool. I'm happy with this so far. I'll give you an update as I
don't know why this
ride with her. So there you have it, guys. I've put together, well, you've watched me get help putting together the Nuna Triv, the 4-mom swing, and an unboxing of this chic, cool GG Supreme diaper bag. So get you one. I hope I, helped out and gave enough information for moms looking to purchase these things. I'll give an update as I go along and she's actually using them and all of that stuff. But stay tuned, like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications to keep up with your girl.